What's up, my not so perfect family? It's your girl Toya, and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new to our channel, smash that subscribe button and join the not so perfect family. Also, while you're at it, give us a like if you like this video, of course, and also spam up them comments. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So with that being said, I know y'all know what this video is about because I know y'all read that title. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, we do have a special guest with us. Introduce yourself.
My name is Maya.
And who are you, Maya?
My girlfriend.
That's my sister, y'all. Okay, y'all. So let's eat. With y'all, let's go. So wait, hold up. Who gonna say the grace?
Race.
Thank you, everybody by here. Thank you, Father, for this food we're about to receive. Amen. Amen.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of pizza.
Me either.
I'm just gonna be, you know, doing my
I'm gonna eat away.
I'm a dig in. I ain't tripping. So,
yeah.
I'm going.
Sorry if you let dysfunction, cause there's so much.
No. I told you no.
They tried.
Yeah, I want some of this before I time to
Yes, pass it. Who want to get some pizza? Drink. Okay, so what y'all gonna talk about?
It's
Ask me
good.
one of please for my wings and stuff, cause I'm a flex eater.
Girl.
Yes, come on, got some wings over here.
Yeah, you do it.
Hey, I need a plate. I got
It was good.
No, that's what.
Oh, this nigga's trying.
Real talk.
Anyway.
I'm a flat eater too, sister.
You use anything, stop it.
Don't play with
I
her.
said put that on.
I'm gonna try this first.
So we're not gonna talk?
Who need drink?
Me.
Yeah.
Back it up.
Cost to it.
Oh, you need. Oh, okay, baby. What happened to my chicken?
Oh,
Oh,
I thought I ate.
that hot sauce hit different.
girl,
I
sit
told
down
you.
somewhere.
Don't touch my.
Sister with him.
Where's she?
So, are we gonna do a story time or something?
On what?
I don't know. Y'all tell me.
The first time I got in a fight.
Ooh, okay. Girl, you be fighting? Well, tell it.
No, not like a fight.
Well, tell it, sister.
When we was in school, I mean not school.
Mm-hmm.
It's when we first moved down here.
What you fighting?
Nene.
Oh, I remember that fight.
You said two names and all that, fighting and all that. My first fight, I ain't gonna tell you.
Oh, I remember your first fight. Who it was with?
Who it was with?
Look, how your sister, huh?
Yeah, Terry.
No, not the Kaya sister.
I heard that.
Oh, that's her name.
Oh, y'all was in that gun, man.
Girl, we
My
calling
cousin.
everybody names.
That's my cousin, y'all. That's my cousin, man.
No. So, cousins date now? I never knew.
What?
Did I dig Jazz?
What are you fighting?
Oh, that's what you talking about?
Yeah. She said, Lakai sister, my first fight. I said, that's my cousin, y'all.
Yeah. No story time though.
Look down what you talking about. But that was a
I never had a
misunderstanding
fight,
fight right
guys.
now.
She wanted to fight mine.
You haven't gotten to a
Who
fight.
you want to fight?
She wanted to fight somebody else.
Okay.
I ain't gonna say. Look,
Oh, man, you just a
I don't want to say the name who she wanted to fight with because she one of our subscribers. Is our cousin.
Yeah, mama.
You act like you so like bitter, like nobody heard that. But her name start with a
T.
I'm not gonna say T. So boom, y'all, whoever know, you know.
I never had a fight before.
So So when she wanted to fight somebody else,
Red.
my bad go to my hand.
Man, no.
So
That's
basically,
a fight.
she wanted to fight somebody else,
What?
and I was
Your
with,
whole life.
Never.
Mom.
I don't fight.
hey, I was with her, y'all,
Y'all be quiet.
and
You.
Yeah,
So, what about the time you always trying to fight?
I don't even remember that. So what
What
happened?
about Nika?
Y'all need to stop name dropping.
That's not the real name.
I'm talking about this naming everybody on there.
So what happened?
Basically, she wanted to fight T, but she was scared to fight. Why was they scared? She didn't want to fight her because they fought so many times back in the day. You know how many cousins, you know how many
Man, y'all
cousins
out.
But basically, she wanted to fight her, and she, instead of her fighting, I was with her the whole time they was gone. So T went go check her, and she was like, "Oh, I want to fight you." So T,
You were bucking it up after them.
no, T just punked her or whatever.
Oh wow.
However you want to say it, and she thought she was just gonna get on me or whatever. But man, it's like 20 years ago, so y'all don't go do it no more for this.
One thing about it, baby.
And
he was 20 years old.
Dang, no.
anyways, y'all, basically,
They had a fight.
yeah, and she didn't want to fight T.
Pass me a napkin.
Then she just like, oh, fight Tati.
Ooh.
Man, let me die. And next person.
Well, I don't fight you guys.
Yeah, you do. I remember this fight that she
I remember
had.
that fight. It was a big girl and a small.
I don't recall.
I remember
and they
that
were tearing it down. Sticks and all.
But then and the bird, you know, you was
Don't never
you
say
got
that.
you one.
That is not true, you guys.
And let Trey say one.
Trey, you had a fight?
Oh, man, mom, you think I had a fight?
I never knew, son.
No, and Trey, boy, Trey, you know how
You ain't gonna be picking over these
You had-
chickens, boo.
You had a fight in this 10 years.
Yeah, sweet. You know what? Jerry, do you have fights? Oh, never mind. You a
I
bully.
can show you many fights on this one.
This is a bully.
Oh, yeah, I got one. I got
Him, Jerry, him, Trey, Didi, all
Hey,
them.
okay.
Lucci, if you watching this too, my lady, all y'all got the game fight. And I can drop the video at the bottom.
No, she not.
Okay.
They got the little game
Okay, I got in a fight with.
Stop name dropping people.
I didn't say that. I said, I got a fight with a dude.
I know what we could talk about.
Name.
So
What?
Cause I don't y'all dropping too many names. So
You said that?
y'all, we gonna tell y'all some of our slangs like we say in Louisiana. So like some people would say New Orleans, we say New Orleans. Some people would say their cousin name. We don't have no cousin's name. Everybody is cousin. Okay? We don't have no name. You cousins. Okay? What's up,
I know y'all
What's
didn't
up,
see that.
cousin?
Y'all didn't see that. Mom,
Okay.
take that out. That part I did not did.
Okay, if it's interrupting me talking. All right. Let me see what else we do. Oh, a good one. Y'all might say, I'm going to the store to grocery shop. We gonna say, we going to the store to make groceries.
And y'all know how y'all say a lot. You know how you say a lot. We'll say like buku.
Oh yes, buku means a lot. Okay, y'all might say pecan, pecan. We say pecan. Okay, like the city we're from. Some people would say Homer. We say Homer. All right. What else, y'all? Oh, instead of saying children, we say children.
How many children you got?
Facts.
Real.
Okay. What else, y'all?
Man.
Uncle is unc. Your niece is niece. Yeah, auntie is auntie or teety. I'm
Just how
thinking
y'all
now.
say soda, we say cold drink.
Yeah, good one, sister. Good one. This is a cold drink, right, child?
And say y'all got like a like some people say a cold cup. It's not even on the frozen cup.
Yeah, that's a frozen cup. Mm-hmm.
Or a Dixie cup. Y'all see all kind of things.
Yeah, but it's a frozen cup.
I mean, they be saying crayfish. We call it crawfish.
All right then. Y'all will say a buggy or a shopping cart. Man, that's a basket.
That's a basket.
What else, y'all? Shit. What's the eating? Y'all sleep over here. I don't know, y'all. But yeah.
We say, instead of saying,
This one, Rakia. This Rakia favorite one. You're maxing me. That means
you're driving me.
No, that means that driving and maxing. People don't know what that is. That means you're getting on my nerve. You're maxing me out.
Maxing me out.
That's Rakia favorite one name.
Maxing me out. Maxing.
I. We say I.
Son.
Well, a lot of people say son.
No, they said like we said a different type of like.
Son can be anything. Like son can be
Anybody. Even a girl.
sister, your girlfriend. You can be anything.
A girl can even be your son. I mean, shit. That's just our slang, man. You know. But yeah, y'all.
Finger looking good. Can't take the hood off the job.
Good at the job.
Okay.
What else?
What else we say?
What else? What kind of name things y'all eat down here? Like, what kind of things y'all eat?
So we have gumbo.
Beans.
Y'all call it green
Yeah.
beans. We call it string beans.
Nah, well,
So they got string beans and green beans.
Yeah.
Beignets.
That's a good one. Mm-hmm. What else, y'all? King cakes.
Yeah. Well, some people eat that.
What it is?
Chitlins and tripe.
Oh, girl. That's a delicacy.
Well, people would say they call it
Chitlins and grapes?
no shitlings.
No,
Oh, another one I was named
Mo-
chitlins.
it's not a slang. I ain't never heard that. Okay, y'all. So,
You know what chitlins?
Oh, a lot of people be using that Tony's.
Tony Sasseries.
And they don't know how to say it. It's
Tony
Tony
Sasseries.
Sasseries.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people.
Just say Tony.
Yeah,
Tony's. And then what else we have?
Crawfish,
We just have our own little way of saying things, man.
Instead of saying what's the word I always say?
But the making grocery, that kills me. Don't nobody in the world say they gonna make grocery. How you gonna make grocery? You gonna pick up some stuff to put in your house. What you mean?
Thank you.
All right.
Instead of saying I don't care, I say I don't care.
Oh, well, that's just you say that, because we say I don't care. Oh, and, y'all, this one right here, this one drives me when they say, what you crying for? Crying? It's crying. Girl.
What somebody say whoop de whoop?
Oh, yeah, whoop-de-woo. Yeah, they're like, man, whatever. Oh, and another one they say, like a man. That means I'm coming to you real, son, like a man. You feel me? Like a man. Yeah. Woody. You know what I'm saying?
My little yeah.
Oh, yeah, my little yeah.
I think y'all.
They love something. Bitch, we there. We have.
You feel me? So, yeah. My little yeah with the yeah.
Whoop de whoop.
So we basically got different ways of saying something.
Come on, man. You gotta give your pizza.
Come on, grab a pizza.
We could be a mukbang.
I'm calling it baby.
Come on,
Hey,
man.
where's somebody
Like, you gotta do all that.
What that cup right there do?
This one? What else, y'all?
Mom, what they be?
I want that people eat
Tell you.
chitlins and tripes, cause some people don't like that.
Right, comment down below if y'all eat chitlins and tripes. Or comment down below if you ever had any of the Louisiana meals like gumbo.
Yeah, ooh, I love gumbo. I don't like okra.
Egg touffee, they call it.
Yeah.
Oh, I got another slang.
What?
And sorry, y'all saying grandma, we say grandma.
No, instead of
Boy.
saying grandmother, we say
No, we
grandma.
say
We say grandma. Yeah, that's a good one, grandma. Because I don't know if anybody else say mom like we say mom and dad. People say mother and mom.
I say mom, and I call my dad.
Some people
Right, daddy.
Mm-hmm.
So you say pop.
No, I don't.
Some people say bro, we say bro.
Okay, Nissa said some people say bro, we say partner.
We say bro too.
Okay.
For real.
Yeah, but what they say mostly?
Homie.
That's lame. Tell you wah, wah, wah.
The kids just be hating y'all. The kids hating y'all.
But wah, wah,
Yeah, I know what you
wah.
said.
Nah, that was a
Nah,
good
Mom,
one.
explain to them how we and this got their nickname.
Mr. Daddy gave him
Let
his
me
nickname.
let me tell
And
you.
my mom gave 300 names. She was
Because I
calling
had
her
a
Tweety
big
Bird.
head and a small body.
Yeah, she really did look like a Tweety Bird. She was a premature baby and she was really, really small with a. She looked like a
head.
Tweety Bird. Yeah.
Fat forehead.
So y'all not gonna play on her top. Oh yeah, and that's another thing we say. Play on my top. That means you know you fucking.
Oh, my mama-
You're messing with me.
My mom been saying for long is bang on my
Yeah, cause they be banging on my top, son, for real.
No,
and I don't be liking it.
You don't see it, it's playing.
They be banging on my top, and I really don't
Oh,
like
yeah.
that, son. You know what I'm saying? For
No,
real.
you good.
Real. Where you drink? Get past him the drink. Oh, I got another one. I gotta go get it.
If she said
Alright.
first one a little bit of
Y'all.
it's getting spicy.
I thought we did some.
Let's see.
Oh, that's enough.
No, you know what?
Yeah, I'm eating right now.
There you go.
So serious about it from the listen.
Yeah, it's in front of everybody. and shit. All
Oh, it's weird.
right.
Hopefully you in the camera. Hopefully you been in the camera all this time.
I hope so too. If not, it's gonna be true. All right, y'all. So
Another topic.
what else, y'all?
What else?
Leland.
I said that. Wait, you got napkins right here? Yeah. We need some of this.
All right,
I'm
if
gonna
you
bring up
think,
what I
if
got
y'all had one trip to go anywhere around the world, where would y'all go?
Comment down below. Uh-huh.
No, what you?
And, all right.
But you got an answer?
Uh-huh.
What?
Some Maya.
Y'all comment down below and we gonna go start from my way.
Yeah.
For me, what's my dream vacation? I would say Hawaii.
What? All right, why? Why y'all go to Hawaii?
Because it seems like it might be tropical, and I'm a tropical girl.
Oh my God. No.
Nothing where you would like to go.
My dream vacation. No, my dream vacation.
Ooh,
is
boy, my boy.
It's going to.
If people say have mercy, we say have mercy.
Oh yeah.
Nothing. Comment. What you want to go? Where you want to go? Do you know it? We gonna come back to listen because he act like he don't know the
I
trip.
don't know the main. I don't know the city.
Just say the state
Yeah,
then.
just say it.
I'm gonna say with a team. I'm gonna say with a team, man.
No.
The Trailblazers, like.
No.
I don't
No.
know.
I don't even know who the Trailblazers is.
Portland? Yeah.
You want to go there?
Why?
Okay, come on. You don't tell me. Just go. Just where you want to go?
I wanna go to Monkey.
What you saying?
You look like one that
Is it monkey?
Yes, it's an island on Hawaii.
Boy, she trying to.
Oh,
Name
I heard
Miami.
about that a couple days
I
ago.
Okay,
wanna go to,
Miami sound more. Okay.
I want to go to India.
India?
Oh, you gonna get killed.
Boy, don't y'all start that, man.
Because it got. I want to try their food because it look good.
I want.
Mukbang.
All right. Who turned it?
You.
I want to go to
The Bahamas.
Oh yes, that's
She
what
said
I
go
want.
to. Bye.
Okay, sister.
California.
All right, what's y'all
The city
dream?
girl when she come back.
Okay. What you say? She gonna be a city girl when she come back.
Listen to my business.
Don't do that. Okay, what's y'all dream car? No,
No, I want to know yours. Mine a Ranger. Mine. I said a Jeep Wrangler.
Oh, Jeep Wrangler. Hers. Mine, y'all already know. Hellcat. You know know, yeah.
Mine is a Tesla.
It's out of two of them.
Oh no,
Boy,
I'm
pick a
gonna
car.
say both of them. It's out of the track field.
what is that?
I never heard of it.
BMW.
A BMW. All right. Jay, what's your dream car?
I don't know nothing about the
What the hell,
Come
Tyler?
on, after this, y'all, we gonna end this
It's
video.
out of BMW track car, but I'm gonna go with the track car because that's fast.
What is a
My
track
dream
car?
car would be a Mercedes Benz, I guess.
I'm
gonna say
Mercedes
Mercedes-Benz. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the video because you know what I'm saying.
Everybody look like they stuffed.
Yeah, because I'm in my pajamas. I'm like ready to go to bed,
Me
y'all.
too.
So
I'm staying
yeah,
awake.
excuse the bonnet. You know, I'm still cute with it. So, anyways, yeah, y'all. So again, if y'all like this video, please leave us a fat thumbs up and comment down below your dream vacation and let us know.
And your dream car.
Yes, let us know. We'd like to know. So, with that being said, we're out.
And TMJ Barney.
Peace.
Yeah.
You know.